Okay, okay. Here. We're just gonna have to do this when they're hungry. Trust me, they will still...
Cut their tails off. Because I don't do big rat tails.
You're on camera. What are you gonna cut their tails off with? And you know the tails are gonna squiggle after they get cut off, right?
A pair of scissors.
Seriously?
This one's humping his brother.
You would do that just for cosmetics?
Maybe we should mark their fur.
We can try that too.
Now I'm hungry.
I think I should get the little cutters out and give them a little haircut with their initial.
What are y'all doing to each other?
Probably still hungry. Come here.
They don't like to be seen.
And they really are taking to these paintbrushes, aren't they? Kitty, come on. Oops. They're not happy the first time that happens. You want it? You want it? You want it? Get it. Good job. You gotta praise him. You want to send Carmen this video?
Yeah.
She could probably find some rats around there to practice with her for her new baby.
I just want the paintbrush.
Oh, that's about the 5th drop that I've given it. Don't be a glutton. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. When you do that, they get so mad.
I think that one's full.
I think it's suffocating. Look at her reach its little head out.
So stop it.
You want it? That one's full.
It says feed me like that.
Forever.
And still hasn't as big as my
Do you
mom.
remember which one was last?
What do you mean?
There's one more that needs to do the...
Uh,
Remember you weren't supposed to feed them all the way?
This is Pinky. Did you do Pinky yet?
I thought so. Maybe not. They're fast little learners. I really think we need to build them a maze. I don't know how would you build a maze though? Maybe they have like a maze kit online.
I think this is Roscoe. Can't really tell if it's blue or red. My backbeat. Oh no, this is blue.
You want it? You want it? You want it?
This is Houdini. Oh crap. We're losing one. This is Roscoe. This is Mattel.
This one already knows how to eat like that, I think.
Oh, where are you going? One of them's trying to poop. It's like they can't get their turds out all the way by themselves.
They get them out eventually. I'm not doing that anymore.
Oh, sorry guys. This one. He's having trouble getting out. There we go. Got it.
Does Carmen want these? We can probably ship them to her. Overnight shipping. They don't eat at night anyways. You want it? Gotta come get it. Come on.
Your siblings. Who are you? You are.
Are you done? You can't even. No, no.
Houdini. No, this is Houdini.
She's like totally stuffed. You paint its head? Blow on it so it doesn't inhale the fumes. Are you serious? That is a pretty good idea though. And considering the fact that they lick their paws so much.
I think it's high.
I know, that's gonna make a human high. But the blue and the purple are gonna look similar, so. There's an orange in there.
Well, we can't change colors now. It's going to be too complicated.
Orange is pretty close to red. Oh, you're shaking now, huh? Smile for the camera. Looks like she's got a
What does that one
wound.
look like?
Huh?
What does that color look like?
Pink? Kind of looks like purple. Yo, that looks like pink. Come on, do the back legs too.